Mizuna plant, agroplants.org. Uh, this is a leaf plant from the species of Brassica rapa, and also known as Japanese mustard. Mizuna it's a annual plant, and it's used also for the edible leaves. But when you grow the purple cultivars, you can see here, it can use as ornamental for the beautiful leaves. It can grow in variety of climate from temperate, Mediterranean or subtropical climate. If you would like to grow it, there is a link below, link in the right top side. If you purchase it, this is donation for this channel. Except this, don't forget to subscribe. It's really help to this channel to grow, and you really help by this to let me be busy only in making videos for you. So hardiness zone will be 2 to 10A. This is actually, it can live from hardiness zone of 2 to 11. The leaves, as you can see, can be purple, but also usually what you see, it's green leaves. Taste is mild. The leaves are deeply jagged. Flowers are yellow. All the brassica flowers are like cross or a plus, and their seeds are also, and the pods are also edible. Except this require a little bit, prefer acid soil and rich soil. You can start to grow it by just to buy a plant, but better to start from seedling or seeds. It's just established better. If you start by plant, you might get it in the end of the season. It's just a waste of your time and money. So better to start actually from seeds, in my opinion, of course. In hot weather, be aware that it will bloom very, very fast, and the leaves will be little. So it means that you waste your time on the plant. So maybe you should try a different season, mostly in the autumn. So planting season will be, or sowing season will be, from hardiness zone of 2 to 10A in the spring, and planting season in hardiness zone of 10A to 11 will be in the autumn. It's possible also in hardiness zone of 2 to 10A in the summer and 10A to 11 in the winter, but this is mostly recommend. It will be autumn and spring, not don't go too much through the summer. Again, it will be too much late, and the winter, it's possible actually in hardiness zone of 10B to 11, it's possible to plant it in the autumn, in the winter. It will grow well, but it will be shorter season. Major pests are Pests, that this is kind of a larva of a butterfly, also Prodenia, that it's Spodoptera, slugs and aphids. This can be a little bit annoying and crucial for the plant. You don't really need to prune unless the plant is infected. So infected leaves, highly recommend, or dead leaves that you don't have a clue how they died suddenly. The height of the plant will be 10 to 30 centimeters. This is for the leaves. It's been 4 to 12 inches. And the flowering stem can be from 20 to 50 centimeters. So it's been 8 to 20 inches. In the right condition, it's a fast-growing plant that require average to big amount of water. A light condition will be full sun, but in very hot climate like a hardiness zone of 11, should consider to grow it in half shade. Will bloom a little bit later, slowlier. Then you increase in this way, and the leaves become a little bit bitter in very hot days, and sometimes in the hardiness zone of 11 or 10B, there is very hot days in the spring, so it might affect on the quality of the leaves. Of course, it's possible, it's a small plant, you can grow it in a small container pot, let's say 5 liters, so it's been 1.2 gallons. Even smaller can grow, so it's not a problem. Blooming season, mostly it's in the summer, can be in the spring in very hot climate. The edible seeds and pods, it will be in the summer or in the autumn. You can use the pods and the seeds for salad, eating raw, or to prepare spreads. Okay, so the edible leaves, this is the most important part. Okay, so in cold climate, it will be mostly, as I said, hardiness zone 2 to 10A. In the spring to the summer, possible in the autumn, mostly the leaves will be not really edible. Uh, Hardiness zone of 10A to 10B to 11 will be in the autumn to the winter and early spring possible. If the spring it's not too much hot, possible also in the spring. Better to harvest after the plant establish. Usually young leaves better for eating raw. If they are already mature, cook them. They are better. They are a little bit less pleasant if they are too much old to eat anyway, so don't bother. You can use it for salad, to cook it, stir fry, or just to use as spread. And except this, it's easy plant to grow without a special requirement. Except the special requirement, I would say that this plant is very strong. It's fast, so because it's an annual and it's easy to grow in variety of hardiness zone and climates. It's highly recommended if you like, of course, the flavor. Flavor remind a little bit of mustard, but not exactly. It's like between cabbage and mustard, I think. I don't really know how to describe. I dislike mustard and I like this plant to eat, so not really like a mustard. So something to consider. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course, purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy, and come visit us again.